fraction means it's a part of a whole thing. Okay, suppose you an apple, when you divide the apple into two parts, the one part we call it half. Half means 1 by 2. So fraction also, there are different types of fraction. As we can see in the blackboard, I wrote different types of fraction. So first is unit fraction. Unit means the numerator and the denominator we have, isn't it? The upper one is called numerator and the lower one is called denominator. When the numerators will be 1, then it is called unit fraction. Like fraction means when all the denominators will be same, then it is called like fraction. And unlike fraction means they will not be same. Different types of fraction, different fractions, 1 by 5, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, like that. Then proper fraction is a fraction where the numerator will be smaller than the denominator. Then it's called proper fraction. And improper fraction is the numerator will be bigger than the denominator. Okay, so 6 by 2, 5 by 4, 9 by 2. These are examples. And mixed fraction means it's a combined combination of whole number and a fraction. Means 2 is a whole number and half of the another number, means it's 1 by 2. Okay. Okay, now we'll learn how to find equivalent fraction. Okay. To find equivalent fraction, we have to multiply same number with the numerator and the denominator. Suppose an example here, 2 by 5. So if we have to find equivalent fraction for this number, we have to multiply with the, if we multiply, suppose this is 2, if you multiply 2 with this number, the same number we have to multiply with the denominator also. So 2 times 4 and 5 times 10. So 4 by 10 will be the equivalent fraction for 2 by 5. So we'll go to next part. Then you can see in page number 81 how to check the equivalent fraction. Okay, with whether these are equivalent or not. So, okay, example see here. Suppose it is 2 by 5 and it's 6 by 15. If we have to find whether these two fractions are equivalent or not, then we have to do cross multiplication. This is called cross multiplication. Okay, how we find out? We have to find out cross multiplication means we have to multiply 2 into 15. So we'll get 30. Sorry, we'll get 30. Then 6 5 times also. 6 5 times also 30. That means 2 by 5 is, you can write 2 by 5 is equal to 6 by 15. So like this way we can check whether the two fractions are equal or not. Okay, now we'll go to exercise 6a. Question number 1. You can see in question number 1, multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 in each of these to get an equivalent fraction. So you can see question number 1a, it is 1 by 4. Okay, so we have to find the equivalent fraction of 1 by 4. So to get the equivalent fraction of 1 by 4, we have to multiply 3 with this fraction, equals to 1 by 4 into 3 with the numerator and into 3 with the denominator. Then we'll get 3 1 times 3 and 3 4 times 12. So 3 by 12 is the equivalent fraction of 1 by 4. Okay, same like this, you can do the remaining one. With all the questions, you can see the question number B, 3 by 5. So with 3 by 5, you have to multiply 3 with the numerator also and 3 with the denominator also. So I did for you one, so remaining one you do it yourself. Now we will do question number 2. Multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2, 3 and 4 in each of these to get a set of equivalent factors. The first one has been done for you. So one has been done for you. But then also I'll show you one. Question number 1, A is done for you. So we'll do question number B. It's 1 by 4. To find the equivalent fraction, we have to multiply the same number with the numerator and denominator. So it's 1 by 4. If you multiply 2 with the numerator then we have to multiply 2 with the denominator. Then 2 1 time 2 and 4 2 time 8. Then next, this is the first equivalent fraction. Next will be 1 by 4 multiplied by 3. Then denominator also 3. Then 3 1 time 3, 3 4 time 12. Then next one will be 1 by 4 multiplied with 4. And numerator 4, denominator also 4. 4 1 time 4, 4 4 time 16. So how many we have to find out? We have to find out by 2, 3 and 4. So I have 2, 3 and 4. So these 3 are the equivalent factor of 1 by 4. So remaining one, I think you can do it yourself. Now we'll go to question number 3. So question number 3 is divide by a common factor to get an equivalent factor. So you know the common factor means the number where we get both these numbers. Okay. Suppose we can take 6 as a common factor here, because 6 1 times 6 and 6 how many times 24? 6 4 times 24. Okay. So we'll do it like this. So 6 by 24. So we'll divide this 6 by 6. The same number we will divide it from 24 also. So 6, when you divide 6 by 6, 1 and 6 4 times 24. So 1 by 4 is the equivalent fraction of 6 by 24. So question number 3, 1 I did for you. The remaining one you do it yourself. So we'll go to question number 4. Fill in the empty boxes. So here question number 4a, I wrote for you 2 by 5 equal to this is empty and divided by 15. So how to find out this box, empty box one? Okay. So we'll see with this denominator what we have multiplied to get 15. So you can do like this also. With this denominator we have multiplied 3. 5 3 times 15. Okay. So that 3 we multiply 2 denominator, and that same 3 we have to multiply with this numerator. Okay. So 2 3 times 6. So we can fill this box by 6. So you can do it directly also in the empty box. You can also directly do directly in this box. Okay. You can write 6 here. You can do directly if you can count it yourself, or you can show like this, and after that you can fill the box. Okay. Remaining one do yourself. And then question number 5. So question number 5 is cross multiply to find whether the fractions are equivalent. Okay, we have to write E. Okay, if it is equivalent, if it is not equivalent, then we have to write NE. So question number 5a. So 4 by 5 and 8 by 10. So how to find whether it is equivalent or not? As I have shown you how to find equivalent factors, how to check whether it is equivalent or not, we have to do cross multiplication. Okay, 4 by 5, 8 by 10. Cross multiplication is like this. Okay, with the numerator you have to multiply the denominator. With the denominator we have to multiply the numerator. So 4 10 times 40 we got, and 5 8 times 40. Okay, means 4 by 5 is, or it is given like box there. Okay, 4 by 5, then 8 by 10. We have to fill this box. Means it is, we have to write E, because we got after cross multiplication both the side we got 40. So this is equivalent. So like this way you can do the remaining one. Okay. Thank you.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for yourself, do it for your family, do it for India. Let's break the chain of COVID-19. We can overcome it. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.